Whirlpool appliance showing an error code. Here's what the most common codes mean across Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana. All use the same platform. Whirlpool washer codes. F0E1, stuck button on the control panel. F1E1, control board error, may need board replacement. F5E2, door not locking, latch or lock motor failed. F7E1, motor drive error, motor or control board. F8E1, water supply problem, check fill hoses. Whirlpool dryer codes. F1, control board failure. F2, keypad or user interface issue. F22, exhaust thermistor, temperature sensor. F01, main electronic control board. Whirlpool dishwasher codes. F1, temperature sensor or heater issue. F2, stuck or shorted button. F6, inlet valve issue, not filling. F7, flow meter, not detecting water flow. F8, water leak detected. Whirlpool refrigerator. Most Whirlpool fridges don't display error codes visibly. Diagnostic mode is needed. Press the door light switch 5 times within 2 seconds to enter diagnostic mode on some models. How to reset Whirlpool appliances. Disconnect power for 60 seconds. For washers, also try pressing the power button, then start button 3 times within 12 seconds. This is the Whirlpool reset sequence that clears many error codes. When error codes persist after a reset, the component has actually failed and needs repair. Whirlpool error code diagnosis. All models. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.